my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back again to channel. I'm Koga. So today it's on a weekend and people are not going to school actually. So I decided to come at our farm. If you have watched my previous video, you can see that yesterday I was in the farm and we were putting manure on the maize. So today I also have an amazing video. To my new subscribers, thank you for to my new subscribers, I want to thank you for your support. To my returning viewers, I really appreciate your support, and all to those people who are supporting me, I don't take you for granted. I love you all. So you know what, today we're going to spray a chemical into the maize. This chemical is actually called, let me show you this chemical. It's called KOLOPA. You know what, guys? Many people use KOLOPA to spray into their farms. You know, KOLOPA is used to KOLOPA is used to remove the weeds, the grasses, so that you can't plow. So nowadays people don't plow their shambas like they usually do. They usually use KOLOPA they spread to their farms, and then it becomes so easy. So you can't do what? You can't plow your farm. So, and it's also cheap, like it's very cheap compared when you put workers to plow on your farm. So you see that many people back in Nyabohanse village, not only in Nyabohanse village but also other places in Kenya, they use this KOLOPA. You know, it's like I'm advertising this one, KOLOPA. Which company is this? Osho company. Yeah, so we're going to use this KOLOPA. As you can see, we have the jerrycans over there. The jerrycans were used to fetch water, and then we're going to pour. As you can see, my uncle is pouring the water into that sky plus, that big blue, yeah, that one. He's pouring water, and then we're going to add this KOLOPA inside the water, and then that guy, the guy who is wearing purple, is going to use this pump. Oh, it's heavy. He's going to use this pump to spread all over the farm. So guys, if you want to know more about KOLOPA and how it works, make sure you watch my video till the end, and it will also educate you. If you're a farmer, it will also educate you. If you're a farmer and you don't want to plow, like you come in the morning, you employ some handmen or handwomen to do your shamba, you can easily do KOLOPA. So stay tuned and watch my video till the end. Guys, you can see we want to add the KOLOPA inside the water. So that's the KOLOPA, and that's how it looks like. You can see we are adding it inside the water, and then we're going to stir it very well before using. So he's an expert in this, and that's why you can see he's the one doing it. Lazima hiyo maji ijae.
Hey,
Yeah.
1 liter, 200 liters.
1 liter.
1 liter. Unachanganya na 200 water.
So that KOLOPA is 1 liter.
Yeah.
Okay. It should be supposed to be mixed with 200 liters of water, so that it can be able to work well. Sasa anko, hiyo maji hiyo nani itakutosha kuspread mpaka huko chini?
Yeah. Unajua hapa ingekuwa ni mtu anatumia pampu ya kawaida, kwanza ange waste dawa na ana waste muda. Lakini hapa kwa kuwa ni pampu ya mashine, hapa kitu inafanya sasa ni
hii ni pampu ya mashine. Hebu nione vitu. I'm told this one is a machine pump. Why I didn't notice it. Let me show you it. So you can see this one is a machine pump. It is different compared to that. It's called okay guys, you can see that that pump, it's not actually, it's different from the other pumps. You know, me, I thought that this pump is that one for doing like this. Uncle, I thought this pump is for doing like this. You know, you just buy it on your back and then you pump it like this. Oh, the pump. Oh. So, so you can see this one is machine pump. Okay, it's actually different compared to the manual pump. Like, you know, at first I didn't notice that this one is a machine pump. You can see it has the engine. I think this one is the engine, I'm not sure, and this one is the fuel. Yeah, so probably this is my first time to see a machine pump. Like, I've never seen this one in my life. It's my first time, and I'm so happy to learn new things. So guys, I will be updating you on what we are going to do next, and how we are going to put the mixture of KOLOPA and water into this can, into this, how do you call it, into this into this pump, and then the guy who's going to pump the maize, he's there. Yeah. Ooh. So guys, you can see he's untying the jerrycans. He went to fetch water to the river. Not a river, actually it's a stream, right? It's a stream because it's not that big river like River Migori or River Kuja. Yeah, so River Yala. We're going to add, remember we only put, tuleka saa zile ngapi?
Hiyo ilikuwa tumeweka ngapi?
Remember at first we only pour 6 jerrycans into the
6 equivalent to what,
12 liters. 120 liters.
Yeah.
So we're going to add 80 liters, and the expertise was telling me that if we spray the chemical, like right now you can see the maize are too small, so when they become big and reach somewhere here, we only spray second time and it will be done. No more spraying the chemical, and no more doing what, no more plowing. Sorry guys, no more plowing. So if we spray today, we will then come back again when the maize have grown big, and then spray again, and that will be the end of spraying the chemical into the farm. Anyway, so we're going to start the actual business that brought us into this farm, so stay tuned. So that's it. That's the work of KOLOPA. Someone can think this is milk. You see? So I think it's already 200 liters. So it's already 200 liters, and he's going to fetch while pouring the chemical inside the machine. So you can see. Hiyo inabeba lita ngapi? 25. Wait. Guys, that pump, it carries 25 liters. Will I be able to carry it on my back? Why? 25 liters. It's it's big. You may think that it's very small, but it's carrying 25 liters. No, it's small in size.
Hivi gharama bado bodaboda, gharama songo mbingu umeacha kipindi kama wewe. Kuna
so guys, see, he's going to carry it on his back. You see, it's very heavy. Wagwan. Wah! So you can see the way it's spraying. It's just you can see it's not difficult to spray. Like, it's very easy, and it's very easy compared using the manual pumper. You know, if he was using the manual pump right now, I don't think if he could be there. No, he's very far. Just look at how that machine works. Wow. I have just zoomed him so that you can be able to see well. He's coming back. Actually, to me, I'm saying that this one is not difficult. I can actually do this, but where that jerrycan carries a lot, like 25 liters, and on my back, where I'll break my back. Wow, I really break my back. But you know what, I'm going to try. I'll just try. I'm going to try. I will try and see how it look like. So if he could be using a manual pumper, I don't think if he could be already, like, I don't think if he will be done by this side. Like right now, he could be still here. Know that pump, it's wasting a lot of time, and it really cost. So nowadays things are very, very, we have improved things back in the village. You see, back then people used just like they just used to plow. You wake up early in the morning, like 5 a.m. or 4 p.m. You wake up very early in the morning, you come into your farm, you start plowing, you plow till 1 p.m. You see? But nowadays, if you don't want to plow, we can easily use a machine pumper and spray the chemical, and things are done. So you can see this farm is 2 acres, and he's working. He's going to work. If he sprays the chemical in 1 acre, he's being paid 800 shillings. So now he will be paying 1,000. He will be paid by my mom. I'm not the one who is going to pay him. My mom is the one who will pay him. He will be paid 1,600 shillings. So, and compared to when you plow, if my mom decided to put, like the other time, he put some people and they plowed for him, it really cost him. Like he spent not almost, he spent 10,000 to not 10,000, 12,000. He spent 12,000 in this farm, just this farm. And right now, he's not going to spend a lot. He's going to spend like 6,000. So you can see that's very, very cheap. So guys, you can see he just finished spraying the first 25 plus 25, 50 liters. So now he's adding another one, and he will be continuing to spray the plantations, the maize plantation. Yeah. And you can see he's moving very fast, very, very fast. Sinibebe ni spray. Usijaze basi. Wacha nibebe hivyo, usijaze. Guys, I want to carry that pump, yeah, and spray. Where? So I'm going to pump. One day I'll come to borrow that pump and go and pump for others.
Bado inaenda uje kusimamisha.
So my good people, I'm told that you can see here we have a watermelon, and this watermelon, like it wasn't planted, like someone just ate the fruit and then he or she dropped the seeds, and then it just grew up by itself. But like as you can see right now, we are spraying KOLOPA into the farm. Actually this plant will eventually dry, because KOLOPA it's only applied into the maize, only the maize plantation. And I think even grass, like normal grass, if you have a lot of grass and you want to cut it, you can just apply KOLOPA on it, and then it will be very, very dry. Like it will be easily dry. So KOLOPA is only being spread. KOLOPA is only being spread into the maize plantation. If you spread KOLOPA into the beans plantation, like your beans will dry, they will really dry, and it will be a loss for you. So if you're going to use KOLOPA for the first time, you just read the instructions very well about KOLOPA and know more about KOLOPA, so that you won't be able to apply KOLOPA where it's not being applied. So you can see here in our farm we didn't plant beans. Actually, we didn't plant beans like other farms that if you dig a hole you put maize and beans, maize and beans. So to us we only planted the maize only, and that's why we are applying KOLOPA into this farm. So let me show you. We have a farm here, here, like it's just behind, not behind, near to our farm. So you can see this one, there is a maize plantation here. We have a maize plantation and beans plantation. So if we spread the chemical, the KOLOPA chemical into this farm, this maize, they will dry, they won't grow, they won't work well, it will, all of them will dry. So that's why you can see the owner of this farm won't be able to use KOLOPA. He will just plow. He's just going to plow because he has
hii maharage tayari ukija kupiga hapa ambayo inapiga mahindi. Unajua maharage yanakuwa ni kama herbicide. Yanakuwa ni kama magugu ya kawaida tu. So wewe unang'ang'ana maneno hapa. Haya, ukirudi ukija kwenye ile ya mahindi hii, ukichukua ya maharage, ukichukua ya maharage ukaja kupiga hapa, haya yanakauka.
sawa. So guys, I'm being told that this KOLOPA, it's only applied. Okay, we have different type of KOLOPA. So this one is only for maize. This one is only for maize, and we also have another one for beans. And as you can see here, selective post, you can see, let me just read. Selective post emergency herbicide for the control of grasses and broadleaf weeds and the minimum tillage in maize. Kwa Kiswahili, in Kiswahili, let me read in Kiswahili. Kiwagugu kiwagugu cha kudhibiti magugu ya nyasi na magugu yenye majani mapana katika upandaji wa kimo cha chini. Minimum tillage system kwenye mahindi. So guys, you know, I just knew that KOLOPA is only applied in maize, but I'm also told that we have another KOLOPA which is being so guys, I was saying this, we have another, okay, KOLOPA, it's actually a name, but the real name of this chemical is a herbicide ama kiwagugu in Kiswahili. So you can find that this KOLOPA, it's actually the best. We have other herbicides. Yeah, we have other herbicides like governor and many others. So you can see this one is 1 liter, and we're going to spray this 1 liter into our 2 hectares of farm. So you can see if you were using governor, the governor herbicide, we could use 2 liters or even 4 liters. So you can see this KOLOPA, it's actually the best and it's stronger. So that's why a lot of farmers, like really a lot of farmers, really like the KOLOPA herbicide. Actually, you know guys, it's like I'm advertising the Osho company. If you're watching this from Osho, make sure to comment and leave a big comment and a sweet comment for me. So my good people, I was saying this, if you spread the herbicide which is only meant for maize, the beans will dry, and it is a vice versa. If you spread the herbicide which is only meant for the maize, if you spread the herbicide which is only meant for the beans, the maize will be dry. So that's the disadvantage of KOLOPA. Yeah, so guys, make sure to watch my video and know more about KOLOPA. I mean the herbicides called KOLOPA. The herbicides called KOLOPA. KOLOPA is just the name. Yeah, but it's a herbicide. Make sure to watch my video till the end. Make sure to, if you're new, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to leave a sweet comment which will motivate me to do more and more videos. You know guys, it is because of you, that's why I'm I wake up every morning to make videos. Like, I just have to make videos and upload them on time. So make sure to support me. I'm not support your girl. I'm Koga. I'll appreciate your support. And what else should I say? If you're new, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Watch my video till the end. Please don't skip the ads. You know, those ads they mean a lot to me. Don't skip the ads. Those ads mean a lot to me. And make sure to just watch the video till the end and you will enjoy. Bye.